Okay, hello everyone. So this video is for the people who are in a no contact situation and who are right now separated, who are actually broke up with their partner, who are blocked or currently hurt or someone have hurt that person. So this reel and this video is for you. And if you were looking for any sign, you can take this video and this reading as a sign from the universe because today, through tarot cards, we are going to check that when that person is going to come back into your life and whether this person is going to come or not and when. So let's just start with the intentions and with the power that when this person is going to come. Firstly, close your eyes. Think of that person. Think of your person, your partner, about their face, the moments you had with that person, all those things, all the sweet memories. Just think of that person and ask the universe that is this person the one for me? And is this person going to come back for me? And is this person going to be with me in the future? And when this person is going to come in my life back? Hmm. Just focus on your intentions, these thoughts, your feelings. Think of that person and just set your intentions clearly. Okay. Okay, so I got the cards, I got the reading. So, okay. Hmm. Hmm. So basically, I can see the person you were with before is really confused as of now. I can see a juggling card. I can see that this person is currently feeling too much confused into two situations and into two things, that whether he wants this thing or whether he wants that thing. And he's currently juggling between two situations and his emotions also, because I can see Six of Cups card also. So in his mind, in his emotions also, he's feeling that thing and he's feeling too confused. Also, I can see that this person is actually missing you. This person miss you, and this person actually think of all the moments you guys had. And if you think that this person had moved on, then no, this person didn't moved on. I can see that this person still have feelings for you. This person still is attached with you. I can see that he still remembers you. He still misses all the things which you guys had, the sweet moments or any memories you guys had in the past. And currently, what I can see that he is busy with something and he is actually focusing on other thing and he's not actually making you a priority. And I can see that, yeah, I can see that this is the main reason that he's juggling into two things, plus two things are in his hand. You can see that there are two things and he's not able to pick that side and pick that thing, that what is actually important. And also one more thing, I can see that there is a involvement of a third person. I can see that there is another person who is involved. It's not like emotional bond. It's not like this, that it should be an emotional bond or any love affair. But I can see that there is a third person who is influencing him, or a person who might not like you and who doesn't want you guys to be together. And that person doesn't want to see that partner, like your partner with you. So yeah, involvement and mind, controlling and washing and mind washing, and that stuff is there. That third person is doing that stuff, and also I can see that third person is attracted towards your partner. And this person was someone who is related to his past. It could be any friend, any past relation, or uh past any past friend or any past memory. The person is from his past, and I can see that this person is actually, as of now, not really into that person. I cannot see an attraction from your partner side towards that person, but yeah, that third person is attracted, that I can see. Plus, there is brainwash for sure. I can see that this person is brainwashing your partner, and your partner is listening to that person, and your partner is actually trusting that third person. That's why all the misunderstandings are happening. I can see that you guys have fought due to some misunderstanding, some issues, or I can see that you are feeling that you have been backstabbed, you have been used, and this is, very low point, your very low point, and you are feeling too stressed and all that stuff. So I can see all these things coming into your mind, and you're feeling all that stuff. You're being very negative and thinking about that. But I can see that justice card is there. You can see that the justice card represents that all the situation, whatever happened with you, um, there is going to be a justice for you. You will get that justice. You will get what you actually deserved, and not like you are going to pay for someone else's bad karma or any other move which someone else has done. So justice is going to serve in your favor, but you really need to come out of your, this overwhelmed feeling you are feeling, whatever you are feeling, the anxiety and all, like I told you. You have to come out from this thing, and you have to come out of this negative thought and this illusion you have created around yourself. You really need to cope up with this situation so that you can actually have a good conversation with your partner also, because someone else is taking an advantage of the situation, and they are manipulating your partner towards you and against you. So you really need to focus on that thing, and you really need to, calm your partner and all, because I can see that the emotions card is there. I can see Ace of Cups, which represents that the emotions which have been like any misunderstandings and anything which happened between you two, that can be solved, and everything can be covered through emotions and the love and all that stuff, because new emotions card is there, new relation card is there, so that can be healed and all that stuff. So you just need to come out of it, and you need to, all the misunderstanding which has happened between you two, all the misunderstandings, all the chaos which have been created due with the third person, you can uh, create a new bonding, new love between you two, new spark between you two. And yeah, I can see this situation is gonna end, and the situation will come into your favor, because temperance card is there. This will take time. You have to be really, really patient about this situation, because any hurry from your side can lead to the advantage to the third person. So you really need to be very patient. You really need to have that um, aura in yourself, that you have to feel that this person is with you, and you have to create a good bonding with this person. Plus, come out of your, sorrow, guilt, and emotions. You are just covering yourself in your emotions, and you are just being too negative and just shielding yourself down. Just come out of this. You have to come out of this thing and that stuff. Plus, I can see the sun of card. The sun card is a very positive card. So it's like I told you, you have to come out of this. And after that, I can see a very good, a very, very good future for you, a very good relationship ahead. Just think that how you can solve this current situation, how you can remove the third person, the third party, and how you can heal the relationship between you two, and how you can make the spark come again between you both, and how you can again rebuild this relationship, how you can actually fix the relationship. You can make your partner be with you, have that love, that spark, that romance, and everything, that intimacy and everything back with that partner. So I can see that the no contact situation is gonna end in the future. And if I see that when it's going to end, so it will take around, you know, yeah, it will take around 9 weeks. 9 weeks it will take. And Wheel of Fortune card is there with Nine of Swords card. So 9 weeks it will take at least to end this situation, this no contact situation, and after that I can see a 360-degree turn. So it will make changes in your relationship. Also, you guys can whoever wants to claim this reading, or whoever were able to resonate with the reading, they can claim the reading, they can comment, and they can let me know that they were able to resonate. And just comment that I am ready for the change in my relationship. And if you want the instant results in your relationship, and you as of now, and like in next 7 days to 21 days, and you want your partner back and want to end this no contact, and you can book the spells with me. I have the very, very strong third party removal combo as well as a reconciliation combo, which will include negativity removal and removing the third person, cord cutting, mind domination, and also the reconciliation, unblock spin, and everything. You can discuss it. You can check the description. I will mention the link where you can book the spells. You can connect with me. You can connect with me on call, or you can book a reading also. So if you want to end this and want the instant result, then you can connect and book the spells with me. And if you like this video and if you were able to resonate with the video, then you can like this video. You can share it with your friends, and you can comment and subscribe the channel so that you cannot miss, or you won't miss any updates or any energy readings which I am gonna share in the future.